our Reliv Shake It Up series! This is where we feature Reliv Shake recipes from our customers and distributors.
And for today's video, we are featuring Miss Dorothy Tan's Sunnylicious Family Shake.
Oh wow! Thank you so much, Miss Dorothy, for sharing your recipe with us. And now we're going to share it with all of you. Let's shake it up! Hey, Jera, ano mga ingredients natin today?
So, unang-una, we will be needing 400 ml of water. At para sa Reliv products, we will be using 2 now sachets or 2 scoops of Reliv now.
Okay.
Or, pwede ding 2 scoops ng Now for Kids Vanilla.
So, since this is a family shake, why not use both, di ba?
So, for our special ingredients, meron tayong 1 cup of sliced banana and mango.
Kaya pala, Sunnylicious kasi color yellow mga fruits. Same with my shirt.
Huwag natin kakalimutan ang
Ice.
Do this.
Alright, let's shake it up! This is it.
The moment of truth, tikiman time.
Yes, exciting! So, itong shake na to, it serves 3 to 5 people. Cheers, Jera!
Cheers!
Mmm!
This is so good!
Grabe, ang sarap!
Siguradong magugustuhan din ito ng mga kids.
Yes, a perfect shake for the entire family. So everyone, if you have your own Reliv Shake recipes, please don't hesitate to share with us. Email, post it on your social para ma-feature din namin kayo. Kita-kits on our next episode! Let's get healthier
And live happier!